I now invite our special invitee for the day, Mr. Vivek Agarwal, to address our freshers. But before that, let me relish the immense pleasure of introducing Sir to all of you. Sir is a chartered accountant, company secretary, and a graduate in law. He has also authored and co-authored books on direct and indirect taxes and also has delivered lectures in various branches of ICAI. Last but not least, Sir is an alumnus of LFJC 2008 batch. We welcome you, Sir.
Thank you very much. Wow, it feels amazing to be back to college. If there were no teachers, all other professions would not exist. Respected principal, vice principal ma'am, faculties, invitees, parents, and youngest members of a family, the freshers. I would like to wish each one of you a happy Teachers' Day first. I know I haven't achieved much to address you all, but I feel honored to be invited back to college and feel super excited and nostalgic. Before I start my speech, I want to tell you all that my speech is gonna be really very short, but it's gonna be from the bottom of my heart. I request each one of you to just give me 5 minutes of your undivided attention. And if possible, please note 2 or 3 points which I will be telling you during the speech. I have compiled 2 important learnings of my life's journey so far in the code DP. DP because it is easy for you to remember, like display picture. So what does DP stand for? D stands for decisions. I want you all to take 2 important decisions right now during this event. The first decision, 5 versus 50. When I was at your age, my father gave me 2 options. The first option was to work hard for 5 years and chill for 50 years. The second option was to chill for 5 years and work hard for 50 years. So obviously, I opted for the first one. To work hard, to give my best for these 5 years so that I can relax 50 years of my life. To you, my friends, I give the same options. I want you all to decide right now which option you want to take. Steve Jobs had said, deciding what not to do is as important as deciding what to do. The second important decision which I want you all to take is about mentor. How do we buy products online, whether from Flipkart or Amazon? We go to the product link, we see the reviews first, right? We see the reviews, we understand whether the product will be suitable for us before we buy. At this age, I understand most of you might be having confusions as to which career path to opt for. So the best way to get out of it is to find a mentor for each career path. You can meet them. You can understand how their lifestyle is. You can understand how their financial well-being is, because these mentors are future version of yourself if you are opting for that path. This will save a lot of time and cost for you. We see many people joining a course and dropping out in the middle. Find mentors to guide you to understand how your future is going to be. So these 2 important decisions I want you all to take right now. And if you take, I would feel that my purpose of coming here is served. The next letter of a code word, DP, is about P, which is process. MS Dhoni had said, we all are so result oriented these days that we actually forget about the process. The process is more important than the results. And if we, my friends, if we take care of the process, we will surely get the desired results. So congratulations to the class of 2020 for opting the best process, that is LFJC. Because here at LFJC, we are surrounded by highly motivated friends and profound teachers. So you have already achieved this process by joining LFJC. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. I want to thank all the candles of my life who are here at this moment, and all the candles from the school days and everybody, because it's all because of them I'm here. I wish the best for the freshers, and I'm sure the torch of our college is in safe hands. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for those motivational words. We really got a lot of things to achieve and do.
Thank you.
Now,